This is Peak Transformation U&I 4E, and this is just a material sample for what you could do for this program. For us, for stimuli A and B, we did a mix of just toy pairings. So we have a horse and a car, and that goes for train class 1. So a car and a horse can go one way, or you could flip it and put the divider and have it go the other way. Train class 2, we did a person and a dinosaur. So for example, if I was running this one, I'd put my divider in between. And if I'm sitting on this side, I would say, what do you see? They would say the dinosaur. What do I see? The person. And you could prompt by kind of lifting that up and letting them have a peek and prompting that way, because for train class, you're going to be prompting, reinforcing, and giving feedback. The sample for the test stimuli for test class 1, we did just a simple marker and an airplane. So again, one trial might be with it this way, but then maybe later on in the block you'd want to reverse the perspectives. What do I see? What do you see? And for test, you wouldn't be pointing or giving any feedback, prompting or reinforcing, but I'm just trying to make sure you guys kind of see both angles of this. For test class 2, you would have a monkey and maybe a train. So if the participant's sitting on that side and I'm sitting on this side, you would ask, what do I see? And that would be the monkey, would be a 10. What do you see? And the train would be the answer for that. They would need to get both questions right to get a 10 on any given trial. And test and train are run the same. Again, just keep in mind with train, you're giving feedback, reinforcing, and prompting, and with test, you would not be. So another sample for test would be that marker and airplane. Sorry, the marker is not staying up very nicely. What do you see? What do I see? And again, I'm pointing just so you know where the perspective is at. But for test, you wouldn't be pointing. You would just say, what do you see? Marker would be the right answer. What do I see? Airplane. That would be the correct answer. So that's just one example of what you might use for this Peak Transformation program, U&I 4E.